Hello, today we're going to open a new box of Mega Symphonia.
メガシンフォニアの新しい箱を開けていきましょう。
So this came the other day from the Pokemon Center. I won a lottery to get this box, which is lucky. This is one of my 2 lottery wins.
Yeah.
So, fresh box.
Nice.
And I'm going to pull this little tab here. Very satisfying. Open this up. You got the little pop-up stand here. If I can do that. Oh, yeah, there we go. Very cool.
Oh.
I think it's supposed to tuck that in here, maybe. It's not going for it. There it goes. Okay. So that's how they display the cases sometimes in convenience stores.
Wow.
So we're going to put our cards. So, Aoi, do you want left or right side?
Right.
Okay. So Aoi will take cards on the right side. 15 packs for you. And I will take the cards on the left side. And put our cards back in there when we're done. Okay, so who's going to start?
I'm going to start.
Aoi's going to start. Open the package if you can on camera.
Oh.
Just so people know we're not going to fake any exciting pulls.
Yeah.
Hopefully. You start going through.
Okay.
Okay. So you have Isarola, I think that is. Okay. You have a Sobble. You have Abra. You have Mantite. You have Shuckle, and that's all for the first pack.
Yeah.
Okay. Those cards in the
I
box
know.
there. Okay. So let's see it. This is my open point. Okay. Let's see. In my first pack, we have Kadabra, Baniri, Helio, SQ, and oh! The Puffin SR. Wow, right off the bat. Okay.
Awesome.
That's one for me. Very cool. Nakayoshi Puffin. What's that? Something Puffin. I forgot what that means. Friendly? Nakayoshi? Is that?
Yeah, like close.
Okay, so that's yeah. That's about
Okay,
it.
my turn. I don't know.
Okay. Sizzle Pinini. You have Snom, cute. You have I can't see. Okay, something. Curlia and oh! Ooh, art rare. Is that Alakazam?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Awesome.
Wow, okay.
Cool.
Art rare Alakazam for Aoi right off the bat. Okay.
Yeah.
This is this is a good start so far.
Mm-hmm.
Got an art rare and a super rare. Okay, I'll put
Yeah.
my pulls in you. Okay. So let's keep this going.
Yeah.
So I think there's a few guarantees in these packs of like at least maybe 2 SRs and a couple EXs and a few art rares guaranteed. No SARs or MURs guaranteed, but that would be ideal. Okay, so Rolla. We have Delmise, Stuffle, very cute. Curlia again, and a Jivacoil. And Japanese must be in English. Sometimes I know the Japanese but in English.
Yeah.
Okay, we have. Who's that?
Latios.
Oh, Latios, cool. We have Baniri. We have Delmise again. We have Splink. We have Alakazam. Just got that art rare.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to start cutting it. Okay, Latios again. Snom. Chikorita, very cute Chikorita, looks like that recent Yaha. A Greavard, and oh, something shiny. Who is that? Oh, Clavitar. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Yep. We have something? What is that?
Like a forest.
Forest? Okay, beware. A Snover. We have a Jinx and... No, Pyro. Okay. By the way, today we finished our stamp rally and got these two very cool Giants Pikachu EX cards. So that was nice. Okay. Okay. So this pack we have Chi-Yu, Litleo, Ralts, and that Forest again. Okay. We have that Inteleon, okay. Lopunny. We have Heliolisk, Tangela, and shiny, Kyogre. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, time for some more pools. Let's go. We have another Inteleon. We have this guy. I can't remember his name. Beware again. Abra and... Alright! Here's our Gardevoir EX. Okay, so EX for me.
Nice.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have Frostmoth. Oh, Delibird. We have Mantite. We have Ralts. And... Okay, there's the Mega Beacon. We got that SR before in a single pack. Okay. Hoping for something good. Come on, Chuckle. Launcher, Baniri, and Mystery Garden. Okay. Right, come on, let's get some good stuff. Beach. Ice Cube. Tile again, a lot of those guys. And Baby. Okay, and who's that? Oh, Xerneas. Okay. Legendaries from X and Y. Okay. We have here Mega Beacon again, another Curlia. And oh, okay, all right. Litleo art rare. Oh, okay, very cute.
Yeah.
We have a Pyroar art rare from a different set. Okay. You have Shedinja. Launcher.
Oh.
Stuffle, very cute. You have a Greavard again. Oh, and Mega Kangaskhan. All right. Your first EX. Very good. Okay, put that in your pile. Okay. So much trash all over the floor now.
Yeah.
Okay. We have Kadabra. We have Splink. We have Tangela. We have Stuffle. And, okay, Mega Manectric. Okay, there's our third EX card. Okay. And we have Shuckle. We have Bunny. Little Bunny. Those are big guys. We have Sizzlepede. And who's that? I don't know what that is. What is that?
It's a watch.
Stopwatch. There's that. EX.
Cool.
Okay. So scary to worry about cutting cards.
Yeah.
That can happen.
I've done that before.
Yeah, luckily it wasn't anything valuable.
Yeah.
Okay. Shedinja, Ice Cube, Magneton, Delibird, and Ninjask. Okay. Now we have Kid, somebody Delibird again. Oh, Delibird. We have her routes. And we have Meganium. Okay. Nice shiny Meganium. Well, at least we have enough cards now to make a nice Gardevoir deck.
Yeah.
With the EX and all the pre-evolutions and stuff. Same with the Manectric. Okay, we have Coil, we have Sobble, we have Chikorita, another Raw. I've got so many of these already. And who's this kid? Itsu. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not sure who that is. Okay, we have something. Oh, Latios again. We have Drizzile. We have Magneton. We have Abra. And who's that? Oh, Houndstone. I think Houndstone. Got that headstone on his head. Okay, Tangrowth. We have Clauncher. Oh, here we go. Pachirisu. Look how cute that one is.
So cute.
The Sakura.
Yeah.
We'll definitely put that in the Aoi collection.
Yes.
Okay, we have Buneer and Houndstone again. Okay. Okay, we have about 4 more packs each.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get some to you. We have Snom. We have Heliolisk. We have Litleo. Ooh, Owie, God, what is that? Who is that? That is... Oh, the Clawitzer, okay. I did not know he had an art rare.
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Nice.
Nice art rare there. See that one up. Okay. A lot of art rares so far. That's good. Only one super rare so far, but a lot of art rares.
Yeah.
And good few EXs, so should be maybe a couple more hits in here, I think. But we'll see. High hopes still. Gotta get. Really want to say we got Grumpig, Mantine, Tangela, No Bunny, and Stopwatch. Okay. We have Tangrowth again. Chikorita, very cute. We have Spoink. We have Pachirisu.
Yeah.
And the Beacon? Mega Beacon?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, we have the Mystery Garden. What's the mystery? I don't know. We have Dynamite, Jinx, Drizzile, and something shiny here. Oh, Raikou. Very cool.
Nice.
Nice legendary. Okay, 2 more each.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's get some final good luck here. We have, there's Inteleon. We have the Mantine again. A lot of those guys. We have Jinx again. We have Delmise again. We have Mystery Garden. Okay. Come on, gotta do something. Okay, Frostmoth. Helioptile, Delibird, Bayleaf, and okay, another what's that? Abomasnow EX.
Cool.
Pretty cool card.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 4 EXs now, I believe.
Okay.
And is your final pack?
Yes.
Okay. Drizzile. Who's that? I gotta remember his name. And who's that? Yeah. 9. Okay, last pack. Come on, please, something. I feel like we need at least 1 more SR. Everyone else I see is getting like 2 SRs per pack, so I think we only got 1 in this pack. The Poppet. Okay, we have Dabra. We have Snover. Another cute Pachirisu. We have Litleo and ooh, okay, we got a trainer SR. Very cool.
Oh, nice.
The Acerola. Huh? Is she in like a graveyard or something? Maybe.
Cool.
Cool. Well, at least something on that last pack.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's review our hits. Allie, what did you get?
I got 2 art rares. Oh,
Let's review.
are these my balls?
Yeah.
Okay. I kind of got. Okay, I got this art rare and this one and this EX card.
Okay. I got these 3 EXs, the Trick, the Abomasnout, and the Gardevoir, and then I got 1 art rare and 2 super rares, Trainer and a Goods. So, let's see, in 30 packs, that is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hits. So that's about average. Not a great one, but still some good pulls.
Yeah.
Okay, so, and we at least got these today.
Yes.
So, goodbye.
Bye.